Here is how to sign out of WhatsApp on other devices. If you have left your WhatsApp open on a laptop, a friend's PC, or an old phone, anyone having access to that device can read your chats. But don't worry, because you can kick every one of those sessions from your phone in about 20 seconds. Here's how. Start by opening WhatsApp. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. On the drop-down menu, tap Linked Devices. You'll see every place your account is signed in: a browser, a desktop app, a tablet, each with its name and when it was last active. Tap whichever device you want to sign out of. That opens its Edit Device page, showing the device name and its last active time. Tap the red Log Out button. A pop-up box will appear asking you if you want to log out from this device. Tap Log Out again to confirm. That's it. That session drops instantly and disappears from the list. There's no single Log Out All button. You tap each device and log it out one at a time. On a short list, that's a few seconds of work. Now, here is the Genie tip. If there's a device you don't recognize, don't just log it out and leave. That's someone with a live line into your messages. Log it out, then enable two-step verification in Settings, Account, Two-step verification. Logging them out ends the session. Two-step stops them relinking. One without the other is half a fix. That's it. That's how to sign out of WhatsApp on other devices. If this helped, subscribe. I drop these every week. See you in the next one.